What is up, guys? Here's the content for today. So ass, bro. It's not good. It's not good. Some more content came out today. Blah. It's icky, bro. It's so gross. So I'm just gonna put a very mini pack opening out there for today. Tomorrow I'll have Rivals packs, and then Friday I'll have Squad Battles packs, and I'll post the new content when it comes out Friday, and new content Thursday, and new content tomorrow. I was almost not gonna upload today, but then I'm like, I could finish this stuff and get some packs out for you, and just to let you guys know. Sorry for the late upload. There's really like nothing out. Oh, I can't do this again? Come on, are you serious? Oh, I can. Oh my god, that's so whack. Okay, well, I have 15, so I guess I'll just autofill this. So we could get some packs for you guys. That sucks, I can't do this again. It's really not cool. Face pack, might as well. So 5, what? Like, what should I have? I couldn't do anything. Mini pack, to hell with it. Alright, we'll go to all around open packs. We have a couple. We'll start here. Mini pack. At least one player. Imagine we pull something crazy. It'd be so goofy. Oh my goodness. Oh, 2 players. Already 3 smashed expectations. Let's go. The base pack. Silver. He's a 69. 70, 68. And equal players? Hey. Let's go, man. That's lit. It's lit. Oh, yeah. Premium pack. Ew. Okay. Ew. 69. Ew. Ew. Wait a minute. Dick. That'd been cool if he was 69. I have 110k coins. I have the 88 Teemu Solani and he's untradeable, so I think I'm just gonna save up so I could get enough icon collectibles. Oh, James Neal. Imagine if we got like the fancy day. Oh, bro. I think Sunquist just got hurt, if I'm not mistaken. I think so. Anyways, what I was saying is I'm gonna save up for 50. I'm gonna have 2 of these tomorrow because I only finished. I finished in diamond, so yeah, I'll have these. That sucks. I just finished in diamond, bro. Didn't have the time, and I'm not gonna have the time this week because playoffs. 5, 9. Okay, yeah, I won't have enough. Won't want that anyways. That's it, I'm pretty sure, for all I have. But I just want to let you guys know I'll still be uploading this week. Normally, I'll have a lot more uploads. The content today was bad, so if you didn't play, you're not missing anything. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one tomorrow. Yeah, I'll try to get it out just after 5 something. What is it, Central Time here? So maybe around 6. If you're looking for that video, look for it 6 to 7. It should be up by then. It'll be Rivals pack opening and content update for anything that comes out that day. So yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. And here's the part where I'm gonna add the players premium pack that I opened yesterday. Alright, we have a premium players pack. Here we go. 10, I think, players, 280 pluses. Ryan Callahan, first card. Nico Heischer. Would have been cool if we got the All-Star version. Jeff Petrie. Derek England. Alright. Oh, shit. This card just got released. The 85 Team of the Decade Duncan Keith. 3 synergies. Very bad shooting. Alright, speed. Hands are okay, I guess. 6'1", not gonna make the lineup, I don't think. We've got Martin Myronson, Kyle Clifford, Kirby Reichel, Nikolai Goldupin, and Dmitry Orlov. Let's take a closer look at this card. Offensive defense awareness at 84. The powers for shots are 84. Accuracy 79. Wrist shot 76. Speed's 94. Balance 88. Not even a good hitter. Yeah, he's not that great of a card, let me tell you. I don't know, man. It's not what I was going for, but nonetheless, we'll take it. There's a new Team of the Decade, Duncan Keith. Alright, we have 2 gold players here. Wow. Such a good pack opening. Let's go. Well, that's unfortunate. Who we gonna get? Trevor Van Riemsdyk. Jordan Binnington. Oh, man.